Sabi ni Direk Jerry, each character here will shine. It's not only because of Princess or because of Charlene or because of Divina, but lahat kami dito may purpose sa story. And I wanna be part of that. Because, syempre, as an artist, gusto ko rin I wanna learn from my co-actors. I wanna learn something new. And it's not always about me. It's about the story. And the story itself is very timely. Ayoko na masyadong idiin pa. Pero, yeah, so why not? And I'm happy to work, Miss Rose. Sa totoo lang, I love working. It's the only time I get to see my co-actors. I get to talk about art. I get to talk about our work. Sadly, as an artista, wala kaming space na magkikita-kita ulit. So, let's say na matapos na tong show na to, I don't know kung magkikita-kita kami ulit. Kaya happy ako mag-work ulit kasi makikita ko sila ulit by chance and we can talk about art and life. So, yeah, I hope I answered your question.
Oh, yeah. How's Allen and Sophia, na mga, of course, mga bagets na artista natin ngayon? How do you see them?
I always love to be with the young ones kasi nakakabata. But at the same time, I mean, I'm happy to work with them. I'm happy to get to know them more. Kaso lang nung last taping namin, very konti lang yung eksena pa namin eh. So, I was more with Lauren. So this na pagbukas ng taping namin ulit, I can't wait to get to know them better and hang out with them more.
Okay, then.
Thanks.
Yeah. Para naman kay